Okay guys, welcome back to the Discord bot tutorial series. In this episode I'm going to show you how to make an unban command. This is slightly more advanced than the ban and kick commands we made in the last episode. However, it's still fairly simple and I'm going to guide you through it. So the first thing we want to do is obviously call our bot command, as we've been doing for every single command we've been creating. We're also going to want to make sure they have the relevant permissions. For this, I would use the ban_members permission. There are more permissions you can use, such as administrator and stuff. You can find a list of all the permissions on the official Discord Pi API website, which is in the description. Or you can just simply follow along on ban members, as I would say this is the most relevant permission to use in this case anyway. Okay, so once we've done that, we want to then create our function, which I'm going to call Unban. We're going to need to pass in context, asterisk, and member. Now what we are going to need to do is we're going to need to get a list of everyone who's been banned from the server. So to do that, we are going to create a variable called banned users. And we're going to set it to await ctx.guild.bans. And essentially what that is going to do is it's going to run this method, which will get a list of any banned users in the server and store it in banned users. Next, we're going to want to separate the name and the discriminator of the member we are putting in. So to do that, what we're going to want to do is put both variables there and do a member.split. And we're going to want to split a hashtag. What this will basically do is it will chop a string in half at a certain point. So what this is going to do, a Discord account is set up like this. So you first have the username, which is just the name set by the user, and then you have a unique string of numbers, which is either randomly set by Discord, or if the user owns Discord Nitro, they can choose it themselves. So this is the name, this is the discriminator. And what member.split is doing is it's essentially splitting it here like so, and then it will store this in name and this in discriminator. So now we've got that, what we want to do is we want to loop through every single ban in our banned users list, and we want to get the user that has been banned. So ban.user. Then we want to check if that user is the same as the one we passed in. So to do that, we are going to do if user.name and user.discriminator is equal to name and discriminator. Then we know we've got the right person to ban, so we do await ctx.guild.unban user. And that's essentially it. We're also going to send a message into the chat as well. So we'll just put an F string, user.mention was unbanned. And essentially what user.mention does is tags the user in the channel. And finally, we're going to want to return, because there's no point in us wasting processing power and carrying on looping through every other ban if we know we found the right one. And that's it. That's how you make the command. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run it. Bot is ready. It's online here. I'm going to get my test account back into the server. So okay, the test account's in the server. So we're going to first of all use the command we created last time to ban the test account. As you can see, it's gone. The account has been banned. Just double check in the server settings. You can see the ban. Okay, so now we'll try the unban command. And we're going to want to type it out as such. Make sure we include the discriminator. Okay, and now we've got the tag saying that user was unbanned. So let's now go and check our server settings again. Bans, no bans. And let's see if we can join back. And yes, we can join back on the test account. It's back in the server. Okay, so that was how you make a simple unban command. And in the next episode, I'll show you how to change the bot's activity. The Discord activity is basically, as you see here, it says I'm playing Visual Studio Code. So yeah, I'll show you how to change that next in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on the video. Also, comment down below if you have any suggestions for the series, any examples of commands you'd like to see. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.